AJ and I'm here with Dr. Sam to do something about fossils. Hi Dr. Sam, how are you today?
I'm good, I'm really excited.
That's great. So, how do fossils form, Dr. Sam?
Well, I'm glad you asked. Most fossils form when living things die and then they are covered by sediment. The sediment slowly hardens into rock and preserves the shapes of living things. Like this.
So what you're saying is the fossil is just the shape of the living organism and not the actual living organism preserved?
That's correct. You catch on quick.
I know. Well, that concludes today's interview with Dr.
What? No, I'm just getting started.
Oh, I see. So what else can you tell us about fossils, Dr. Sam?
Well, there are two main types, casts and molds.
You mean like this mold I found in my locker?
Ew, no, not that kind of mold.
Oh.
No. A mold is made when the sediment surrounds an organism and then the organism decays. What is left is called a mold, like this.
Fascinating.
A cast is a solid copy of the shape of an organism. A cast is made the same way as pouring Jell-O into a mold and then having the Jell-O come out the same shape as the mold, like this. Wait, where's my... What are you doing?
So what you told us so far is that a fossil can be an imprint or a mold. Is there ever a circumstance where the organism is preserved itself?
Well, yes, there is actually. Sometimes we find remains of ancient insects encased in amber. Like this.
So what you are saying then is that we could extract DNA from mosquitoes encased in amber that had a bit of variety of dinosaurs and use this DNA to bring dinosaurs back to life and display them in a thrilling yet extremely dangerous theme park?
What? No, I didn't say anything close to that.
Anyway, let's move on. What is the main point in fossils? Do they even have a purpose in the human life?
Of course they do.
I know. So, Dr. Sam, can you please show us the importance of these fossils?
Of course I can, AJ. Fossils give us information about past life and environments here on Earth.
So what you're saying is these fossils show some kind of record about the organisms and the environments here on Earth?
No! Huh. Well, yeah, that is what I'm saying, actually.
Fascinating.
Yeah. Anyway, the older the rock a fossil is found in, the simpler the organism is. Younger rocks contain more complex organisms. This shows that organisms have evolved over time. Well, most organisms anyway. So, AJ, can you recap the main points we learned today for the audience?
No, not really.
I can.
Oh, thank goodness. At least someone was paying attention.
What?
Okay, let's review. Fossils are the preserved remains or traces of living things like these. Most fossils form when living things die and are buried in sediment. The sediment slowly hardens into rock and preserves the shape of the organism. And the fossil record shows how organisms have evolved over time. And those are the main points. Give me back my fossils!
No, but you can have my mold.
Ew!
I'm Dr. AJ, and I'm here with.
You're not a doctor.
Oh,
Start
yeah,
over.
I'm not.
Hi, I'm Dr. Andy, even though I'm not a doctor.
Okay, go.
So what you're saying.
Okay, go ahead and start over.
So what you told us so far is that a fossil can be an imprint or a mold. Is there ever a circumstance where the organism is actually preserved itself?
Can I mention how?
Wow, really? Really? Really?
Organisms anyway.